Hello everyone, this is VJS Saw Industry Technology Jiangsu Co. Limited. All footage in this video was filmed at our customer's factory, truly showcasing the outstanding performance of our flying saw blades in high-speed online cutting. Truly showcasing the outstanding performance of our flying saw blades in high-speed online cutting. This product is specially developed for metal dot cutting. Compared with ordinary saw blades, it is more stable, wear resistant, and has a longer life. It can effectively solve pain points such as tooth breakage and rough cut surface. We insist on using high-quality raw materials and advanced technology with extensive experience in international orders. All products meet international standards, and the professional team provides one-stop service from product selection and sampling to delivery and after-sales support. Welcome to request our product catalog and price list. VJS Saw Industry, helping your business thrive.